Hi, I'm Nimshika Natarajan, Assistant Director with World Trade Center Bhubaneswar, India. Well, this award had really been special, and definitely it came with a lot of perseverance and hard work. And the local community has completely rejoiced this decision of WTCA to give the recognition to WTC Bhubaneswar, and to the jury. They all are very thankful, and the reason being that the center has really grown up to 250 plus business members, which they get to network and interact, and it has become more like a family and a platform when they not only do business but they also connect with each other for each other's development. So that is the difference we have made to their lives and their business enterprises. So that is how it is more than overwhelming to receive this award, and it has been a very great experience. The WTC brand has definitely been our biggest asset as far as taking ahead our trade promotion and education initiatives is concerned. We have been working very differently, and all the WTCs put together give us a global platform, which makes a lot of difference for the local community to reach out to different parts of the globe and connect internationally to do their business. It is not only constrained to the brand, but it is the values, the mission, and the vision of the brand which makes the difference. We would definitely like to encourage other WTCs to build their local base, because that is the strength which will help us, build the community stronger. The more and more we connect locally, we will be able to inter-exchange the needs, the requirements, the business development aspects, not only business development but also cultural interchange. So wherever we are connecting WTCs, if the local community is strong, that gives us not only the strength to take our activities ahead, but definitely that will also help us to bring up the global visibility of the brand. So that is why we would definitely like to encourage our fellow WTCs to strengthen their local base of business community into which they are interacting, and not only build that but also share it with other WTCs for a global development. Well, at WTC Bhubaneswar, since we have a strong local community base, we have sectoral think tanks. So we have six focus sectors on which we work, which is women entrepreneurship, which is IT, which is food and agriculture. We have tourism and hospitality, and we have infrastructure as well as international trade. So working on these six verticals, we would definitely like to plan and further encourage these local communities to build up their sectors and come up with focused activities through which we can connect to other WTCs and take up initiatives which are collaboratively organized for better inter-exchange of business initiatives. Keep working, and definitely it is a reward which will come to you. As I said earlier, it has been a lot of perseverance and hard work. Last year WTC Bhubaneswar got nominated under sustainability, but we could not win, but we didn't give up, and this year we stand as winners. So definitely your continuous efforts and sustainable endeavors will definitely lead you to win, and keep working hard. WTCA, as I said, comes with lot of values. It is a big network which is not easily formed. It is not only about other WTCs, but it is about the spread of WTC brands across the globe. So when we are trying to do international business and promote international trade, it is very, very important to come under an umbrella which not only works on businesses as it is, but also it also has ethics and values which will grow and develop your business into a bigger platform. So it is definitely important to have a WTCA umbrella, and other companies like us should go ahead and take the WTC licenses, should definitely look forward to a more focused way of developing trade in their regions, and this concept of WTC is looking towards that.